So in the expert mode, now let's see how we can work around with the Smart Brush tool. So over here on the left side, you can see that brush is an option right here. The brush icon is here. And if I were to click on it, then the Smart Brush is here. So by default, this brush is selected, as you can see, and you can work around with the size of the brush as well. So over here, you can see that there's different presets that you can select from. For example, you can go around over here and select black and white right here, high contrast. So you can go around and click and drag, and you can see that it turns the selection right here black totally right here. You can go around on the minus right here, and then you can draw out to remove out things, or go around onto the plus to add things back right here, just like this. And this works mostly like a quick selection tool, as you can see, just like this. But if I were to go around onto this brush, then it is more like a free selection. I can click and drag around, and it's just like brushing out the effects onto it right here. And right now it's high contrast right here, but you can go around over here and then select out different things, like let's say for example this one right here, and then a certain effect get applied, so the brighter effect is applied. You can go for blue skies right here, and the blue skies will be applied, as you can see, just like this. You can go around and inverse out the effect as well, so that the ones that are not selected is actually selected out right here. You can go around over here onto refine as over here as well, and then select out the radius and work around with these sliders right here to smoothly select out the portions right here, just like this. So let me just go around and increase up the contrast right here, just like this, change up the edges right here, just like this, and this is what you have. You can output this to layer mask, and what happens is that that particular section right here is masked out, and it is more refinedly selected right here. And that is how you can work around with the Smart Brush to do a quick selection and then apply effect onto it, or by using this brush right here for more refined selection as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.